Okay, so this is my bathroom sink, and that's my kitten Nimbus. And this is him taking a bath. And they say cats don't like water.
It's like it's leaving, it's leaving.
He wants to know where the water goes. He's plugging up the sink to get the water to stay. Nimbus, do you like the water? Good job, Nimbus.